Guys, I made a video yesterday about the bombing in the marathon in Boston, and there's some speculation that it could have been an inside job. And why I say this is some people are saying they heard it's just a control drill, it's just a drill because of the dogs. They had dogs walking around, bomb dogs, and a lot of people, a coach from Alabama actually said he heard this is just controlled drilling. But I'm thinking, why have controlled drills, bomb drills, the day of an event like this where you have 30, 40,000 people who show up, from the racers to the athletes to the just spectators? It just doesn't make sense. And then there's a video, or a picture I should say, of a dude on the roof of the time of the bombing. That guy could have just been a maintenance man. He could have been a guy just watching the race from the roof, getting a very good bird's eye view. Or he could have been some sick fuck that had something to do with the bombing. And like I said, some people speculate it was an inside job by the FBI, by the government. I'm not a conspiracy theorist. I'm not saying that whatsoever. I'm just saying what I've heard and what I've seen. Why would you have a controlled bombing on the day of an event like this? It's like, let's say the Jacksonville Suns baseball team. They're a minor league baseball team. You're not going to have police dogs at the event because, honestly, you just wouldn't have them at the event because there's no bomb going off, so there'd be no point to have it. But why would you have bomb dogs and other stuff at an event if you didn't know this was going to happen ahead of time? So hopefully they find out whoever did this, because honestly in 2013 there's been a lot of crazy shit that's happened. A dude killed his wife because the wife refused to make a cheeseburger. That's crazy to me. So to all the people who lost their lives and had somebody they know got hurt, my heart goes out to you. So with that said, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. So I'm not a conspiracy theorist. I don't want to say it's an inside job by the government. Some people say 9/11 was an inside job by the U.S. government and everything like that. So I'm just saying it's just weird that they had a controlled bombing drill the day of this event. I'll see you guys soon. Peace on the street, son.